So I wanted to see how to add grid lines within a particular image. So there are two scenarios, one where I actually want to add grid lines within the image, and the second scenario I just want them as a reference. So let me open one of the custom image size like this. Okay, now as you can see, if you go to file, then accessibility, settings, in settings you will find the rulers and guides. So you will get the actual ruler on the top and the left hand side, right? So when you want to make use of grid lines as a reference to margin or bleed lines, or for certain image limit, like say you want to add some margin at 0.5 on every image, so think of it like some document, and just drag and drop line from the top ruler to this particular point. So it's 0.5, so I am dragging right here. Similarly I can do so for vertical, so I will have to drag it from here all the way to this particular point. We have our reference grid. Now let's say I want to make this particular as grid lined image, so I have to check element called grid lines, right? And here you see multiple options. Okay, so I will go with the simple one. You also have those math style that you can get. Now I will have to just extend this to this area, right? And this particular inner grid will become the part of image, right? So when we export, this one will be visible, but the earlier reference line that we added from the ruler and guide won't be visible, right? So we extend this by selecting further, take this back, and now we are free. So we get to use for entire image. We'll have to stretch this in certain way that it will appear properly, so that minor push you can do with the bit experiment. You will have your page with grid. You can also search if dot grid is available, so you can search for that as well. You can type in dot grid, and you can see there are some example of dot grid as well, but I'm not sure how much easily we can use. We'll have to make them transparent a bit, so let me do that. Okay, so first select this, remove. Now here you can see the dot grid is also available. Can put it like this. Now I'll have to check for transparency. I can turn that into 60 or so, or maybe 50 would do.